Oh, hi! Today in this video, I'm sharing a super fun and practical idea, packing your own airplane amenity kit. You can make these for yourself before a trip or as a thoughtful gift for friends and family heading off on an adventure. I actually made these for my sister's family before they went to Europe, and it was such a hit. Not only was it fun to put together, but it also helped them feel a little more comfortable on that long flight, and made sure they didn't forget any of the small things that make a big difference. Let's start with the basics. First up, you need a cute pouch, obviously. I got these on Amazon, and you can find so many styles, sleek, colorful, even personalized. A small zippered pouch keeps everything tidy and easy to grab mid-flight. First thing in there, cozy socks. Airplanes get chilly, and nothing feels better than slipping on a soft pair of socks once you're in your seat. It's a small comfort that makes a big difference on a long flight. Now we have some tissues, simple but essential. Between dry cabin air and travel sniffles, someone will always need one. Sanitary wipes. These are a must for wiping down your tray table, armrests, or even just freshening up before a meal. And of course, mints or gum, or both. They help with ear pressure during takeoff and landing and keep you feeling fresh after airplane snacks. If you're flying overnight or just want to zone out for a bit, an eye mask is perfect for getting some rest, especially if your neighbor keeps their reading light on. And a face wipe too. Nothing feels better than a quick refresh after hours in recycled air. Earplugs are another must-have. I cannot emphasize this enough. Pack your earplugs. Between crying babies, engine noise, and chatty passengers, they're the ticket to peace and quiet. I also like to include a disposable toothbrush. It's amazing how much you feel better after brushing your teeth mid-flight or before landing, and these disposable toothbrushes are just a little easier to pack than a full toothbrush and toothpaste. Next up, we have some hand sanitizer, essential for travel days when you're touching everything from luggage handles to touchscreen kiosks. A few bandages are handy for unexpected blisters or paper cuts because you just never know. Lip balm is another big one. The air inside planes is super dry, so a little hydration goes a long way. And finally, we have a few pieces of hard candy. It's a sweet little treat and can also help with ear pressure changes during takeoff and landing. This list is a great starting point, but definitely make it your own. You could add travel-sized lotion, a small deodorant, a pen for customs forms, or even a mini journal or puzzle book for long flights. If you're gifting these, you could personalize them a bit, like choosing each person's favorite scent, snack, or color scheme. It's such a simple, heartfelt way to say, have a great trip. So that's how to pack your own airplane amenity kit. A little comfort, a little care, and a lot of love in one small pouch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more packing tips, travel ideas, and thoughtful ways to make every trip a little easier and more fun. Thanks for watching, and happy adventures!